What's good, everybody? This is your girl, Bella J. It is day 28 of the 30-day sewing challenge. And I am excited because this time I did a little prep work, which was drawing out. Remember, we have 4 inches left to do. So I decided to draw out what I wanted. And I have the pieces cut. So this is just the same time and effort. If you would like to a tutorial on how to do this, then please comment below. And after the 30-day challenge is done, we will sit down together and we will work it out. You're gonna need a pencil. You're gonna need some thin tracing paper to work with, and we could do that together. Now, before I get started, I wanted to showcase where I store my pieces, and it's in here. This is the pink box from Soap and Glory, the Christmas collection, and it's $40. I don't know if I paid that much, but with the box being empty and I took out the insert, it's a perfect place to store all my quilted pieces and blocks. And look how thick it is. This is really great. Let's get to sewing, shall we? So don't forget, we have this piece that we're working with. Remember, it adds up to 8 inches. So we need 4 more inches, and this is about 4.5 inches. And it matches the width, so that way we could fill in the blanks and then cut it after we're done. So let's get this party going. The pieces we're working with, these are the corner pieces, which is the storm. And this is the inner pieces. I decided to go with a purple theme on the inside. Purples, we got some blues, we got some teals, but everything is color. It definitely does work well. Right now, we just don't know, but we're gonna put it together and let's see afterwards. We did it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. A garden. So, look at this. All different directions, up and down, sideways, angles. Look at that. This is amazing. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me on this journey. And look at this. This is day 28. Yes? You know what day it is. Okay? This is amazing. With that being said, stay tuned tomorrow. Let's see what we're going to do next.